Glass. This video is for you guys. This is Colin Gluckert, long-time supporter, up here in the campfire, my property, and in the rubble. Wow. Didn't even shatter. If you guys like this as a memento, partially from the campfire, we need new glass. We lost all of our glass. Okay, here's the OFC, old school OFC. I had like 13 OFCs. We had a torus. This mini. If you guys would like to post this, I'm taking these down. Spent a lot of money with you guys. I'd really appreciate some assistance. This torus was my favorite piece. So it's a 2012 torus. Flower life making it through. That. I lost over 100K glass collection out here, but this is what I really cared about out of the glass collection. Please help Mothership.